Hi everyone, how's it all going? Got the bloody Mini. Lock's just turned up, which is just there. And look at this weather. It is absolutely hammering it down. But I got the car ST under there with all my tools, so I'll be working in a minute under that to get my toolbox so it don't get wet. And obviously this is the door so far. I've took the lock off and I found a big issue. Someone has already tampered with it, and basically this is it here, and this bit is completely damaged. So as you can see, this is that bit there. Obviously this used to go up and down, but it didn't really work properly. So what's happened is this is obviously broke, which won't stay, so that is why this is not unlocking, but is locking but not unlocking. So that's the issue. Anyway, also I noticed that this is not meant to look like this. This was already in the door like this, so this has been tampered with before. So obviously knew the issue and just didn't buy a new lock. So now I've just gone straight onto eBay, bought one for 20 quid. And that's what it's meant to look like, completely sealed. This is a 2007, obviously this is a 2004 car, and I didn't think, well, hopefully it won't be any different, but believe it or not, it is actually different, which is typical. This was on that bit there, and what's different is this, which will not fit on that. So what I've done is I've pulled this cover off here, and I've put this one on, which is my old one, and that will go on there. So what we do now is we will put it back in the door and we make sure it works. So as you can see, that's the lock right up behind there, and it's a right old pig to get to. And trust me, if your lock's gone, you're not going to have fun doing it. Right, that's in there. Okay, right behind the runner, that one. Like that, and then that clips on there. Right, this is where I'm going to get wet. Do I really want to get wet? No, I don't. So actually I'll get on, just getting wet for a minute.
A few moments later.
God's sake. That's pointless, the lock's no good. Right guys, I managed to free this up, putting tons and tons of WD-40, and now it works. But it took me literally about half an hour to do this. There you go. I've been literally just doing this constantly, in, out, in, out, in, out, like that, with a screwdriver, just to free it all up, keep on spraying it, cleaning it, spraying it, and that works. So we'll fit that now. There you go guys, ready? Open. Locked. Unlocked. Closed. Just lock it. Locked. unlocked. There you go guys, that's one job done. Yeah, so guys, it's all working, all perfect. I've even like checked it in there, unlocking nothing, so well happy with that. Just new lock, put all these bits back on and put the door card on, and then just got to do the light, and then this can be up for sale. Obviously I've just got to clean the interior. I'm going to wet vac it probably tomorrow if the weather's better. So wet vac the seats and give it a good wash and polish, and then away it goes. As I sorted out the gear linkage, I disconnected the gear linkage to make sure they were free. Both of them were free, fine. And what it was obviously someone put it's got service, and what happened was this airbox wasn't insecure, so it's getting in the way, so it's basically pushing out the way. So all I've done was undone that, played around with the linkages to make sure, pushed all this airbox back on, sorted that issue, so now it's all perfectly fine. Look at that, all nice and free. Before I literally had to and I thought, what the hell? Well, I've had loads of minis, I know how they drive, I know what they should change gear, so it's all good now. Also, where the steering rack is, that bung come out so you could hear the engine and noise from the road, so I've sorted that out now. The next issue will be the door and also the rear mirror, and then I'm going to hoover all this out, clean it all out, give it a good old valet, wash outside, wash all the wheels and put it up for sale. Alright, that's all done now guys, all sorted. The next thing to do is put this on. Straight onto there, so I'll do that. So you can tell this is leaking because that's the one I bought, the new one at the bottom, which is used. Look how dirty inside, so that must have been leaking inside and gone right into the bulbs and out the other side. Right, so obviously that's the old one. The state of it. Complete loads of dry joints and everything. And then this is the other one, but obviously this is just a normal mini one. Didn't get a copy, I got a proper Valio one, which is the original. The difference. Not crusty or anything, nice perfect solder joints. T20, that one and that one. Whip it off, take the connector off, and put that one on. Right, let's see if it works, moment of truth. Ta-da! Yeah, it's much brighter now. That's what this seat cover is hiding. I did actually put it back just to see, but I didn't put it right back completely. Look at that. I have to buy a new seat. Can't have it like that. I could sew it, even if I sewed that like that. I've still got all that. So I have to buy a new seat. How annoying. So the seats are coming out. Got that one out, got that one out. So I can clean them, but now I need to get this one. Check this out guys, nice and shiny. This is a proper gem, it's immaculate. I can't really find a thing wrong with it. See, I need to polish it, but this is it just washed. Got to put the back to black on it and polish it. But that is looking a cracking little car. so you can't tell. But obviously I'm going to buy a new seat, so that's just for now. In case someone buys it like it is. All polished.